Imagine trying to run your business from 10 different apps. Your website is in one place, your community is somewhere else. Your courses live on another platform. Your email marketing uses a different system. Live events require another subscription. Your blog, digital products, and customer engagement are all scattered across different tools. For many entrepreneurs and creators, this has become normal. But what if there was a different approach? That's where eStage comes in. Today, we're answering one simple question. So, what is eStage? To understand eStage, you first have to understand the problem it's trying to solve. For years, businesses have built their online presence piece by piece. A website here, a community there, a membership somewhere else, a blog on another platform. Over time, those disconnected systems become harder to manage. eStage takes a different approach. Instead of building separate pieces, it focuses on creating one connected digital destination. Think of it as building a complete online hub instead of just another website. The platform is designed so that different parts of your online presence work together. Visitors can discover your content, read articles, join communities, access educational resources, participate in discussions, attend live events, explore memberships, interact with your brand, all inside one connected experience. The goal isn't simply adding features, it's creating a better journey for the people visiting your platform. Artificial intelligence is becoming a major part of online business. eStage includes Genesis AI to help simplify the creation process. Rather than starting from scratch, AI can assist with building and organizing digital experiences. For beginners especially, this could help reduce the technical barriers involved in launching online projects. The interesting thing about eStage is its flexibility. Creators can build communities, educators can organize learning experiences, businesses can centralize customer engagement, organizations can create private spaces for members, coaches can share content and resources, entrepreneurs can bring different parts of their business together. A lot of attention around eStage comes from a growing trend. People are realizing that relying entirely on social media can be risky. Algorithms change, platforms change, audiences move. Many businesses are looking for ways to build stronger direct relationships. Instead of renting space online, you're creating a destination people can return to again and again. Is eStage a website builder? Yes, but it's also much more than that. It's a platform built around the idea that online businesses work better when everything is connected. Instead of managing disconnected tools and experiences, eStage encourages building a single digital hub where everything comes together. Want to learn more about eStage? Visit eStageExplained.com. Subscribe and let me know your thoughts. If you could combine your website, community, and content into one place, would you?